Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's credit monitoring tools. So let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a quick one. So first thing you want to do is log into your Capital One account. You can do that online or you can do that through the mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on credit monitoring button, and that's going to allow you to access the credit monitoring portal. Next, you're going to review your credit report and identify any errors or inaccuracies. So here you can go ahead and go through that, make sure everything is accurate. Now you can use the credit monitoring tool to track changes to your credit report and receive alerts for suspicious activities, and that might be very useful in upholding the security of your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Capital One's credit monitoring tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.